Trucking business owner, if you need fast funding for fuel, insurance, or repairs, this video is for you. When cash flow gets tight, one breakdown, one insurance payment, or one fuel spike can put serious pressure on your business. Today, I'm going to show you how emergency trucking funding works, what lenders look for, and how to move fast without making costly mistakes. Hey, welcome back. It's Demetrius. I help business owners understand funding and how to position their business to get approved. In this video, we're talking specifically about emergency trucking funding, how to cover urgent costs like fuel, insurance, and repairs, what documents to prepare, what slows approvals down, and how to improve your odds of getting funded quickly. If you want more funding content for trucking companies and other businesses, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Why emergency funding happens in trucking? Number one, fuel prices can jump and eat margins fast. Number two, insurance premiums are due whether loads are slow or not. Number three, repairs and breakdowns stop revenue immediately. Number four, payments from brokers and shippers may take time. You can be profitable on paper and still be tight on cash. Now here's the key line. Trucking businesses often don't fail because of lack of work. They struggle because of cash flow timing. Emergency funding can help bridge the gap so you can keep trucks moving, protect customer relationships, avoid missed insurance payments, and stay operational. What emergency trucking funding is and what it's for. Now, it's meant to help cover urgent operating costs. It's designed to stabilize your business, not replace strong cash flow management long term. Now, speed depends on how prepared your paperwork is. Now, some common uses: fuel purchases, insurance payments, emergency truck repairs, maintenance issues, tires, brakes, engine work, payroll, driver support, working capital while waiting on receivables. Now here's the key line. The goal is to use funding to create breathing room, not add pressure without a plan. What lenders look for: trucking emergency funding scorecard. They look for cash flow and deposit consistency. Lenders want to see active business deposits. Consistency matters more than one big spike. Now, bank statements health. Non-sufficient fees, overdrafts are red flags. Cleaner statements can help speed and options. Time in business, more time can help. Newer trucking businesses may still qualify depending on deposits and overall profile. Now, revenue trend. Stable or growing trend is stronger. If there's a dip, explain why: seasonality, repair downtime, slow freight periods. Existing debt, stack payments. Too many current obligations can reduce approval size. Lenders care about repayment capacity. Now, clear use of funds. Fuel, insurance, repairs equal strong and understandable purposes. Specific numbers help underwriting move faster. Now, comment funding if you want me to tell you which of these 6 factors usually hurts trucking approvals the most. Emergency funding priority plan. What to cover first? Number 1, repairs that stop revenue. If the truck is down, revenue is down. If a repairer gets the truck back on the road, that may be the highest priority. Number 2, fuel, to keep loads moving. No fuel equals no route equals no cash flow. Number 3, insurance. Missing insurance can create a bigger operational and compliance problem. Number 4, other operating gaps. Driver expenses, maintenance, and cash flow buffer. Now here's another key line. Pay what protects your ability to generate revenue first. Now, documents to gather. Speed equals preparation. last 3 to 6 months business bank statements, photo ID, business information, company name, EIN, entity details, bank verification, voided check if requested, invoices, receivable, or payment history. It's helpful. Repair estimates, shop quotes for truck repairs, insurance bill or premium notice, if that's what you're covering. Now, here's the key line. The faster you submit completed documents, the faster a lender can make a decision. Now, 7 ways to improve approval odds fast. 1, clean up bank activity immediately. Reduce overdraft, non-sufficient fees, and protect balances if possible. Number 2, keep deposit flowing consistently. Show real business activity and avoid long unexplained gaps. Number 3, separate business and personal spending. Cleaner statements equals fewer questions and faster underwriting. Number 4, be specific with your request. Example, fuel, $15,000, insurance, $12,000, repairs, $25,000. Request the right amount. Don't overreach. Ask for what stabilizes the business and matches your cash flow. Number 6, avoid stacking too many payments. Too many short-term payments can create a bigger cash crunch. Number 7, apply strategically. Not everywhere. One targeted, clean process is better than multiple random applications. Emergency funding should help you recover and keep moving, not trap you in a cycle. Now, mistakes to avoid. This saves time and stress. Applying without documents ready. Asking for a large amount with no breakdown. Too many overdraft with no cleanup effort. Mixing personal and business transactions. Waiting until insurance lapse or repairs become bigger damage. Taking funds with no repayment plan. Now here's the key line. Move early, move organized, and move with a clear plan. Now, real trucking scenarios. Scenario A, fuel plus repair bridge. Owner-operator needs funding to cover a repair and fuel to get back on route. Scenario B, insurance, payment pressure. Business is active, but insurance premium is due before receivable hits. Scenario C, multi-need emergency, fuel, repair, and insurance all hit once. So owner prioritize revenue producing needs first. Now, tie each one back to deposits, bank statements, clear use of funds, right size requests. If you own a trucking business and need emergency funding for fuel, insurance, or repairs, comment funding and tell me what's most urgent right now. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more funding content for trucking companies and business owners. I'll see you in the next video. And also, you can check the link in my description to get started.